Hi guys, then welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial we are gonna create energy burst intro in alight motion. Now let's have a look at its preview. Well, I am Ravi and you're watching Ravi Edits. Then without a further ado, let's get started. Now open alight motion and create a new project. And now add the main media clip to the timeline. I will provide its link in the description box below. You can download it from there and use it in your project. Now import it. Now trim the unnecessary part. Now move the timeline and go to the part where the explosion begins. And mark a point at 5.23 seconds by pressing that side button. Now move a little bit forward and go to the part where 6.08 seconds and mark at another point. Now we have marking over the place where the explosion begins and ends. Now move the timeline and place it over the first marking and add your logo there. Now after adding your logo, select blending and here select lighten and here select linear dots, the last one, and press OK. Now select the clip and select the option called Move and Transform and adjust its position and size and come back. We can see that from 5.23 seconds to 6.08 seconds, the explosion is being rotated. For realistic look, our logo should also rotate with it. For that, select our logo and select Effect and here add effect and swipe left until you reach 3D option. And here you can see an effect called flip layer. Select it and copy what I did. And now as we can see, our logo is also being rotated with the explosion. Now we need to add that glitch fade effect at the ending. For that, select the clip and select Move and Transform and here add a keyframe at 8.1 seconds and follow my steps. Now add motion blur. Now we need to add RGB split effect. For that, select effects and color and lighting. Here scroll down until you reach RGB split, select it. Now move the timeline to the part which is just before the motion starts and add a keyframe there and decrease the strength to 0. And move a little bit and increase the strength and come back. Now the last thing which is left is to add that fade effect. For that, select the clip and select blending and opacity. Here add a keyframe with full opacity and move a little bit forward and decrease its opacity to 0. Now we are having that fade effect. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Then subscribe my channel if you watched it till the end, and write a comment, leave a like, and if you dislike the video, write the reason for the dislike in the description box below so that I could correct it in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.